All right. So, how did you feel about the exam?
Um, Definitely a lot of room for improvement.
Yeah.
I didn't get the score I thought I would, get.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel I feel that like I definitely have a lot of room for improvement. I got about half wrong, half right. And I definitely have a lot to review. And yeah. And were there any surprises that you encountered?
Um, just how much I forgot. Like,
Yeah.
like the stuff looked familiar, but I just couldn't get the answers out of my head. Yeah.
Yeah. I think I was surprised that like it's basically stuff that we learned in summer and we learned, like first semester and like everything between. I think
Mhm.
I'm surprised how like accumulative everything is.
Yeah. It's
You
kind of
know?
kind of overwhelming. It's barely the first exam. So,
Yeah. Yeah. And then was there any disappointments that you encountered?
just like I mentioned before, like how I forgot a lot of it. Yeah.
Yeah. I think I was disappointed that there was like I think some questions I could like make an educated guess and other ones it was just like almost impossible.
Yeah.
I just did not
25%
know.
chance to get it right. So,
Yeah. And did you have any revelations?
um, definitely got to study and review back to this first summer semester to
Yeah, I think
like
my revelation is that we have a lot of time, like 14, 15 weeks, and it's time that we could utilize and
take advantage of it.
yeah, and get our scores way up and start now and not start later.
Yeah.
So the question I chose is what is the name of the disease that is best known as hardening of the arteries? And the answer is arteriosclerosis. And that is the term arteriosclerosis can be broken down into an abnormal condition, which is osis, and hardening, which is the scler. And I think I chose that because a big chunk of the questions I missed were stuff that I need to learn how to break down the words into their separate meanings. Like osis is an abnormal condition. So it's something that if you identify that, you could kind of work through like eliminating answers or getting the right answer by knowing like the definitions of breaking down the words.
Yeah. I feel like learning all these like root words will like answer a lot of the questions like itis is inflammation or cardi like heart, you know.
Yeah,
So just breaking down the terms, will
yeah,
kind of provide us the answer.
for
So
sure. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end this.